the back, we put in a little patio, leftover material we had from other jobs. And then we put in a dog washing station here and an overhead shower here, which has been working very nice. There. We've also done some repairs up in here and here. We also have some solar lighting there, which only come on whenever you walk by. Alright, let's see what else. They're getting ready to put another patio over here, hopefully today. We'll be done with this. We've also beefed up the columns since they carry so much. They have some little issues on the bottom that the home inspector found, so we're just beefing those up. And then we put toe kicks in here with additional lighting. There's lighting on the other side. I'll walk around. Let's see. Lighting here. You can see there's 4 lights. They're motion sensor, and they won't affect the turtles because they're facing the other way. But you can see all of the toe kicks that we put in, which makes the whole thing more strong. We also put some heat. That's what we did there. Here we just did some drainage issues. We were having some drainage problems here, and we reactivated this plug. It's now working. It wasn't before. November the 10th, the guy's coming in for the irrigation, and he will be putting in irrigation and then sod, and then he's going to do a swell on the right side because we're getting some water from the property to the north. And the pad, we actually found that pad under there, so we're just going to leave it for now. And we also changed out the meter box, which is way down there. That was the original start of this because we couldn't find the meter box, but we changed the meter box out there. We changed another meter box out right there, and there's some plumbing underneath that, so they're all underground now.